Kane ass.
And yeah, you better believe Kane ass, buddy.
You can take your jacket off, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, yeah. Yeah. I'm trying to remember because I think I have sleeves under the. But yeah, it doesn't
Oh, you got sleeves on? You got glovies?
well, hold on. I have
Oh, you
I
do.
got sleeves.
Dang, what a babe.
I know. I got hips for days.
You do. For real.
I'm hipped up. I'm hipped up like crazy.
What the heck? Oh no. I didn't cut enough of that lady, so she chimes in for a second and goes, hi.
I told you she's gonna haunt you.
You were right.
You're gonna see her in your dreams.
No. No.
Hi, how are ya?
Oh my god.
How you doing there? Do you like my song? I think so.
I think so.
I think so.
There, I got rid of her. I didn't want to hear the hi again. It's fucking creepy. Saul's gonna whip out a recorder. I can feel it. What do you mean? Why would I rip out a recorder?
Like the flute?
Oh, the recorder.
Yeah.
I didn't even think about that. VTuber camp retreat? Hell yeah. What's the camp slogan?
Understanding it would be like
Fuck.
fuck is the camp slogan.
Fuck is the camp slogan. I want to be a part of that camp. Come on over, girl. You're always welcome.
Camp Moondog.
Moondog.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. I could see it on that wooden sign. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, 100%.
Yeah. Okay.
Camp
good.
Moondog feels like a very like 90s, early 2000s like Goosebumps. Camp Moondog.
I want another slogan now. S'mores, memories, less worries. Unleash your inner explorer.
Unleash your inner explorer. Get wild. It's a Jeep commercial now.
Yeah. I think the first one I said was the best one. What was it again?
I don't remember now.
Fuck. I don't remember either, but it was good. Nature is the ultimate playground. Find your happy place in the woods. Play Wonderwall.
I mean, I can.
Let's go, Canis. Play Wonderwall.
Hey, I could wander my wall right now.
Play games, break bones. Those scars are memories. Damn it.
Scars and memories, damn it.
Unless you're like Jimmy over there, the scar is on his head and he don't really remember much. Don't make me laugh. It's Wonderwall time.
Today is gonna be the day that they're gonna throw it back to you. By now, you should have somehow realized what you gotta do. And I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. Backbeat, the words on the street that the fire in your heart is out. And I'm sure you've heard it all before, but you never really had a doubt. And I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. And all the roads we have to walk are winding. And all the lights that lead us there are blinding. And there are many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how. 'Cause maybe one saves me. And after all,
Hold on. It's not scrolling fast enough.
you're my wonderwall. Today's gonna be the day that they'll never throw it back to you. By now, you should have somehow realized what you gotta do. And I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. And all the roads that lead you there are winding. And all the lights that light the way are blinding. And there are many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how. Said maybe gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, I wonder what. Said maybe gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, I wonder what. Said maybe gonna be the one that saves me. Gonna be the one that saves me. Gonna be the one that saves me.
I haven't played that in a while.
It was good, but it kept cutting out. The audio kept cutting out.
What did?
Yeah.
I
I gotta send Tobo a picture of this screen. We look so good. Smile, Canis. Cheese! If y'all are having trouble with audio not coming through Ustream room number 2 in the Timefall Discord, it has much higher audio quality. You wanna hop over there then?
Sure.
Alright. Goodbye, Canis. Talk to you in 3 seconds.
Yeah, talk to you in 3 seconds.
I can still see him. It's like he's here. To what do we owe you for a late night stream? I was not gonna stream today, but Canis was on and I was chatting with him. So I was like, you wanna hang out with me?
I was like, of course.
Kudo! Your mom. No, your mom. Not the mamas. Don't come for the mamas. I'll just enjoy this fire back here while you look for some. Wow, it's so nice. You know, Make You Feel My Love by Adele?
Yeah.
That one's one of my favorite Adele songs. You pick another song. I'm just trying to give you ideas.
I don't know that'd be good, but I can definitely play it.
It's always good. I like One and Only by Adele. I don't think I've heard that one. Yes, queen.
I'm gonna slay. I'm gonna slay so hard.
You're gonna
this song.
slay this. I'm gonna slay this so hard.
So when the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case, and I could offer you a warm embrace
That sounds so much better, just so you know.
to make you feel my love. The evening shadows and the stars appear, and there's no one there to dry your tears. I could hold you for a million years to make you, feel my love. And I know you haven't made your mind up yet. I can never do you wrong. I know that from the moment that we met, no doubt in my mind where you belong. No, there's nothing that I wouldn't do to make you feel my love. Storms are rage on the rolling sea, and on the highway of regret, the winds of change are blowing wild and free. You ain't seen nothing like me, yeah. Could make you happy, make your dreams come true. Nothing that I wouldn't do. Go to the ends of the earth for you, to make you feel my love, to make you feel my love.
Woo!
I gotta work on the bridge, but that felt good.
Yay! That was some good Adele, right? That's our beautiful Canis.
I try.
The talent is strong with this one.
Strong is a strong word, but
Strong
I try.
is a strong word.
It's a strong word. Strong's a strong word.
Tequila? What do you mean? What? Tequila? Oh. Canis knows what's up. Yeah, Canis does.
Yeah,
Music
tequila,
God.
baby. It's all about tequila. You don't know what to perform at your school talent show? Can't sing? Tequila. That's all you need.
I was thinking of a different song. Oh, that song, Tequila Makes Her Clothes Fall Off.
Oh, tequila makes her clothes fall off. My ability to do accents and sing, and then also probably do them at the same time it hurts my head.
It's absolutely beautiful. Who let the dogs out? Shut up.
Who let the dogs out? It was me. Of course it's me. Look at me.
Look at me.
It's like, all right, guys, seriously, who let the dogs out? I don't know. It could have been any of us. It could have been any of us. It's certainly not me.
I don't know if Canis VTuber is scary or nice. He's nice.
You want me to be scary?
He good boy. You want me to be scary? You couldn't even if you wanted to.
Look, I'm tough on the outside, sweet on the inside. What can I say?
Right. Oh, okay, yeah. I think you're just sweet.
Well, that's not what my mom told me.
That's not what my mom said. My mom said I'm tough.
My mom said I'm very strong, I'm very big, and I'm scary.
Oh my god.
Scary guy. She also said I can swear whenever I want when she says I can.
When she says I can.
I can do whatever I want when I want when mom says I can.
Not gonna lie, I'm gonna stay the fuck away from any campfires that they're singing Sweet Home Alabama at, because I don't know if people are cuddling our siblings or not.
Only if you're in Alabama. And it's your cousin? Okay, thank you.
Oh my.
I'm not from Alabama. That made it sound like I was from Alabama.
Go ahead and make fun of my cornbread accent. We love your accent. Get the fuck out of here. True, Zara. Best voice in gaming. So true. Cornbread.
Very true. Yeah, you can't go wrong with cornbread. Does anybody else
All
like...
of Life is Strange dubbed by Zara? I want to see
Yes,
that.
yes, yes, please. Please.
Oh god.
I need that in my life. I would
I'm
play that
sorry.
game nonstop.
I interrupted you. What were you saying? I just saw that and
I
I
don't know.
deleted
It was gonna be something stupid about cornbread. I don't even remember. That fucking trumps whatever I was about to say.
How does it look on your stream when I look at you? Oh yeah, it looks like I'm like turning
Yeah,
back
it
to like look at you behind me.
Yeah, because we have to do the weird staggered layer thing, yeah. But it looks like
Beautiful.
you're looking at me.
Perfect.
It looks like we're cramped into a small room.
Yeah. Yeah. And then on mine, we're in the great outdoors.
We're just walking down the street somewhere.
We're in an alley.
We're in an alley outside of a city somewhere.
And you're playing guitar. We're playing songs.
You know what's the worst thing about that is 100% something I would do. And may or may not have done.
And you're a dog, so it's like you're a stray dog in an alley playing music.
That's sort of the gimmick, I think, at this point. Because I like talked to Pip and I was like, so what's our deal? Like, what's our thing? What's our like lore? He's like, I don't know, we're like homeless or something.
Oh my god.
Okay, stray dog, got it. She's like, I don't know, we're like stray mutts or something. Did you ever learn Maine? So I've been practicing it because the timing is fucking weird. It's super weird. The only thing I have so far is the intro.
Oh. That'll be really nice when you could do that one. That was a good song.
Like, I've tried practicing it, and it's just the timing's so weird, and I don't know why.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's like he sings like almost a beat off of everything, and I can't tell why. Like,
oh, interesting.
I don't know if I'm just hearing it weird or I have no clue.
Do you know anything by Mumford and Sons?
Yeah, I know Little Lion Man.
I love Little Lion Man. Oh yeah, where you haven't learned any Our Lady Peace yet?
Oh no, I haven't.
Slacking. Wow, he is slacking. Zara and I both told him you need to learn this.
Pick out like one song from them that you think like I would be like good to play.
I have to look through them because there's so many good ones.
I used to know the intro to Crazy Train because every guitar player knows that when they first start.
Oh right.
But yeah, no, I can do Little Lion Man if you want.
I would love that.
Do it.
Do it. Do it. We're waiting.
Weep for yourself, my man. You'll never be what is in your heart. Weep, little lion man. You're not as brave as you were at the start. Rage yourself and wreck yourself and take all of the courage you have left. And wasting it on fixing all the problems you have made in your own head. It was not your fault but mine, and it was your heart on the line. I really fucked it up this time. Didn't I, my dear? Didn't I, my... Tremble for yourself, my man. God, I haven't played this in so long. Tremble for yourself, my man. You know that you've seen this all before. Tremble, little lion man, you'll never settle any of your scores. And grace is wasted in your face, your boldness stands alone among the wreck. Now learn from your mother, or I'll spend your days biting your own neck. It was not your fault but mine, and it was your heart on the line. Fucked it up this time, didn't I, my dear? It was not your fault but mine. It was your heart on the line. I really fucked it up this time, didn't I, my dear? Didn't I, my...
is a disaster.
It's not your fault but mine. It was your heart on the line. You fucked it up this time. Deny my dear. It was not your fault but mine. And it was your heart on the line. I really fucked it up this time. Didn't I, my dear? Didn't I, my dear? I forgot how weird that song is to play. 5 years.
5 fucking
It's been
years.
5 whole years since I've last played that song, darling.
Tegan and Sarah's song for a duet now.
Oh, Tegan and Sarah is so good.
I know I've heard of them before. I've definitely heard a Tegan and Sarah song, but I don't know any Tegan and Sarah songs. Education. Getting us some
Edumacation.
education.
Remember, I live where that is actually how they talk. Yes, I know, Zara. I'm sorry.
I just like accents.
Yeah, that's true. He has been doing all kinds of different accents tonight.
I just like the way different accents sound. I mean, I'm over here with like basic ass American accent. I'm boring as fuck.
Do you need help with another song, Canis?
Sure. I'm like looking at both chats.
I know.
You see my head whipping back and forth. Oh, Hallelujah. That's one that would probably get played at a campfire.
Hallelujah.
I get asked to play that song. So I'm like, the funny thing is, like, I'm like, you know what that song is about, right? You know what that
is it
song's
about?
actually about? It's about jerking off.
What?
It's all a euphemism for just jerking it.
Well, now you have to sing it so I can remember all the lyrics.
Yeah, okay, I'll play it. And
Okay,
then,
go.
like,
So everybody have that in your head, okay? When
Have
you're
that in your
listening
head.
to this song right
have
now.
that in your head at the cozy campfire.
Everyone get by the fire and think about what we just told you to
Think about
okay?
think about Hallelujah, and then think about jorking it. I hate myself.
You literally brought this up.
I did because it's funny.
How does Canis know about that, but doesn't know about the term topping off?
I didn't know that was a thing. I've never heard anybody use it like that.
Tamaki, what on earth is that? Canis in the right.
Because I use it like, you know, like if you get a glass of water, right? And you're like, well, I'm not done with it, but I'm just going to get more water in this glass. You top off the glass, right? So Cammy's like, you know what that means, right? I'm like, yeah, to like fill up a glass, or like, you know, put gas in your gas tank, or like, you know, top something off. She's like, oh my God, you got to stop saying that. And I'm like, what? What do you mean?
I mean, you can top off plenty of things.
Why'd you say it like that?
That's how I read Chronos saying it. When I read the text, I try and say it in the voice I hear in my head that you guys are speaking like. Like, watch, this is how I hear Zara right now. Shoot kids these days!
It almost went British. Solace died. Solace is dying.
I just imagine Zara doing like
Shoot kids these days!
Gonna talk like that on stream tomorrow. Okay, sing Hallelujah. Why are you procrastinating?
Anyway, here's Wonderwall. Did I kill you with that? Okay. Now I got the giggles, damn it.
Oh God, I'm
Oh,
crying.
just let the intro go. Just let it repeat until I can sing it.
Okay, yeah, just feel the ambience of Hallelujah.
I heard there was a secret chord David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do you? The goes like this, the fourth, the fifth, minor fall in the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, the beauty and the moonlight overthrew you. She tied you to a kitchen chair, she broke your throne, she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Baby, I've been here before, seen this room and I walked this floor. I used to live alone before I knew you. I've seen your flag on the marble arch, but love's not a victory march. It's a cold, it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. There was a time when you let me know it's really going on below, but now you never show that to me, do you? Remember when I moved in you, the holy dove was moving too, and every breath we drew was hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Maybe there's a God above, but all I ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody who outdrew you. It's not a cry that you hear at night, it's not somebody who's seen the lights of cold, and it's a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
Wow.
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 Hi, Aiden. Hi, thank you for the raid.
Hey!
Hi, welcome in.
I am don't mind me.
This is Solace. This is Solace Guy. She's very cool. We are very good friends.
Thanks, man.
What do you want me to say?
That's
She
beautiful,
sucks.
She sucks.
She sucks.
Is it past your bedtime?
My bedtime? Yeah, technically.
Do you
I should
work
have been in
tomorrow?
bed like 2.5 hours. Oh yeah.
You do?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Cadus, go to bed. Oh my god.
So what happened was we started having fun, and I went, no, I don't want to go to bed. When I lay down now, I'll probably go right to sleep.
You better.
All right. Okay, one more song, and then
One more song before bedtime?
One more song before bedtime.
What's a good night-night song?
Good night song. Oh, Iris. I haven't played that in forever either.
Oh, Iris is so good. Iris is a really nice song. Barbie Girl by Aqua. That'll finish off the night real good.
Oh, thanks. You know, I can play it, but I don't think I will.
Yeah, Iris would be a nice one. I haven't heard Iris in a while, and it's a beautiful song. Used to be one of my favorite songs.
Well, it's an oldie but a goodie, you know?
Yeah, it's good. Oldie? Dang, Zara, you're sensitive, huh? Chrono's sensitive too, I see.
My heart can't take much more of this.
You youngling don't know the meaning of the word. Yeah, okay. How much older are you guys than me? I feel like it's not that far off. You guys act like you're like 80.
Oh God, help me please. I can't find my glasses.
Yeah, that's what Kronos sounds like. Why, after I drink my prune juice, I'ma teach you a lesson, sonny.
Drink both my prune and my sauerkraut juice so I can poop in the morning. I'm so old. Can't use real laxative, it hurts my tummy.
Oh my god.
And I give her forever
Passes work.
I know.
to know that you feel me somehow. The closest to heaven that I'll ever be. I don't want to go home right now. And all I can taste is this moment. And all I can breathe is your light. Sooner or later it's over. I just don't want to miss you tonight. Don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. Can't fight the tears that ain't coming. The moment of truth in your life. And everything feels like the movies. Yeah, you bleed just to know you're alive. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. With everything made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything I just want you to know who I am. I just want you to know who I am. Don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they understand. Everything's made to be broken. I just want you to know who I am.
That's beautiful, man.
I try. I can feel the Goo Goo Dolls speaking to me from the grave. I don't know if they're dead or not. They're not dead. I don't think they're dead.
Next time, Foo Fighters. Is someone getting the best? Well, that was fun, Canis. I'm glad we got to hang out tonight. And we learned lots of new stuff tonight.
We did learn lots of new stuff.
Once I get sleep, I turn to dust. Yeah, go to sleep.
Everybody go to sleep.
Everybody go to
Or I'm
fucking
telling
bed
your
right
mom. I'm telling
fucking
somebody's
now.
mom.
I'm telling someone's mom.
I don't know whose mom do I have to talk to around here to get everybody to go to bed.